I am Deeksha from first year IoT department. I am here to speak a few words and express my view on the importance of education on this special occasion of National Education Day. The theme for the National Education Day 2022 is Changing Courses, Transforming Education. Education is the movement from darkness to light. It also helps in the overall development of an individual. It is also the most powerful weapon that can change our personality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Krishna Saket from IoT department. Education is a means of achieving a world of peace, freedom, justice and equality for all. It helps us become a better citizen. Education shows us the importance of hard work and at the same time it helps us grow and develop. Thus, education is an extremely necessary for everyone.
Hello Jyoti, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Today, as it's an education day, I'm taking an oath that as GK sir said, I'm writing my goal on a paper. I'll not open it today. I'll open it after 4 years.
Show me once, right?
I'll not show you. After 4 years, I'll open it and achieve whatever, whether I have achieved it or not.
Okay, that's the case. Okay, but I'm saying you my goal. See, after 4 years, I'm going to achieve the highest package job in this college. Okay? See, I will achieve this and I will show you. Okay? Not writing this on the paper. Okay?
Okay.
I am K. Shubha from first year IoT department. I would like to talk about the importance of education on this significant day. Education is learning skills and knowledge. Education is the means of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom and equality for all. May this education show you the way to live a good life. Happy Education Day to all of you.
Hello everyone, myself Kaushik from CSC IoT branch. Education plays a vital role in everyone's life, which leads us to the way of the success, leads to the path of the success where everyone can be happy. Education is not only learning maths, physics, chemistry, geography, etc., but it also helps us to learn how to study a life in bad situations and overcome them. Thank you.
అరే ఏం చదువుతారా బుక్లు వాడేరాక
అరే
అరే ఎప్పుడు చదివేరారా
ఒక్క నిమిషము ఇప్పుడు 4 years తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు చదవద్దంటున్నావు కదా 4 years తర్వాత నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తావు చెప్పురా అంటే నువ్వు ఏదో సాధించవచ్చు ఏదో ఒకటి అంటే ఏం చేస్తావు నీకంటే ఒక గోల్ ఉండాలి కదా
ఏదో ఒకటి చేసుకోవచ్చా
ఏదో ఒకటి అంటే నీకంటే ఒక ఐడియా లేకపోతే ఏం చేస్తావు ఈ 4 years చదివితేనే కదా నీకు ఐడియా అంటూ వచ్చేది అవునా కదా మరి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ రా బుక్కులు ఎప్పుడూ నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గిట్ట నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు చాలామంది అంటారు అదే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఏముంది ఏదో తెలివితేటలతో బతకచ్చు అని తెలివితేటలు అనేవి గిట్ట ఎడ్యుకేషన్ నుంచి వస్తాయిరా చదివితేనే తెలివితేటలు అనేవి వచ్చేవి చదవకపోతే ఎట్లా వస్తాయిరా ఒక్కిటి ఓకేనా
Good morning to everyone. Myself Archana. I am from IoT department. As you all know that 11th of November we celebrate National Education Day. First of all, I wish a very happy National Education Day. We celebrate this National Education Day on the behalf of birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad ji. The main motto of this National Education Day is to bring the awareness among the people on the education. And he was the first educational minister for India. He was a man with a simple living and great thinking, and he promotes the women education. Nowadays, education is very important to everyone. It is the backbone of our society. Education is a birthright to everyone without any gender inequality. Once again, happy National Education Day. Thank you.
My name is Vaishnavi and first year CSC student of ACEG Engineering College at Hyderabad. Firstly, education is really useful for spreading knowledge in our society. Education is a ray of light in our darkness. Education certainly gives us a better life in the world. Education is a very important thing. It certainly determines the quality of one's life. It is an uneducated youth is the worst thing to happen in our society. So let us educate and make a better world together. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Bhavani from IoT branch first year. As we all know that today is National Education Day. Azad was the first independent India's education minister and contributing significantly to laying the foundation of India's education system. To honor his efforts, the Ministry of Women Resource Development has announced 11th November as National Education Day in 2008. The Ministry of Women Resource Development sets a different theme for every year, and this year new theme for National Education Day 2022 is Changing a Course, Transforming Education. And this theme indicates us need to reform the education and make it adaptable to the current times.
Hi, my dear friends. My name is GRS from CS4 department. I want to say one point. How our backbone will support us, like education also important to us.
Hello friends, this is Sayaksha from CSC IoT. So we do not know what education actually is. Education is about acquiring knowledge. We should not compare with others, rather than we should compete with ourselves. We should improve ourselves day by day so that one day we will be successful.
Hello guys, my name is Vinay Gandakuri. I am from CSO department. Education is not getting about just getting a degree or certification to show the entire world how you're competent you are. Education gives a confidence to stand up in front of millions of people and put your words together without any fear. It gives a courage to be successful in your life.
Hello everyone, myself Aarti. In the journey of education, one should dare to dream big and never limit your dreams because of people's limited imagination.
Hello friends, this is Biswas Thapa from CSC IoT. Yes, as we all know that, as we all have heard about the popular saying that education is an important tool through which we can change the world. All these great inventions in the field of science and technology are all because of educated people behind it. Through education, we get confidence to do something for our community, for our society, and for our country as well.
Hi friends, this is Harshita from IoT department. Education is must and should want to everyone. Education plays an important role in our life. Life is incomplete without education, so education is important.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు శ్రీకర్. నేను యుఎస్ కాలేజీలో చదువుతున్నాను. మనం పుట్టేటప్పుడు మనకి ప్రాణం పోసే వైద్యం నుంచి, మనం ఉంటున్న ఇల్లు నుంచి, మనం తినే అన్నం నుంచి, మనం అడుగేసే ప్రతి చోట మనం ముందుకు అడుగేసేది విద్యనే. అలాంటి విద్యను మనం గుర్తు చేసుకోవాలి. విద్యా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Learn today, lead tomorrow. Thank you.